Kani gede Dushin MEGHALAYA but ni priang sobhai pi baro shakatup kubam takajan mid shaban pai shaki kubor ki babnia ngine pitchwai ki mat pukongsan. Benpa Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih urakam sangma yaki jingtemu nakabenta ki MEGHALAYA Model Residential Schools but Sports Excellence Center. Kajing penderekam ya Ketua Government Medical College kalong nyupusan nak sispa pentip ke Menteri Kakot Kakia ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo haying dorbar. Terekam tang arngut ki nong trei haka Rajpur Veterinary Sub Center amdan ki Dr. Bapura bat tang kendiat ki jingdon kam. Ngokia unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ka MSIPF Amendment Bill penpau balak ban keta ya ke jinglong trai jaka jongki riulung. Bat mudui mukadma usembut lampang utimoti di Shira persya ya ki arngut ki briu ki penjak buram ya ke jing kerenjong u. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih urakam sangma hene kesengi ula pentip syaka ying dorbar bakumba lai poprateli ki MEGHALAYA Model Residential Schools lani ki EMRS bat ki Center of Excellence for Sports kin sabu hakeleng ke jela Meghalaya. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli usangma ula penpau baki jing terwa na ke benta ki EMRS bat ki jaka pentebit na ke benta ki kamyelek kai hakini ki senam baladep kidang hab ban yo jing menjur na ke sarkar pedeng.
Because, sir, as of now, sir, the Government of India has already, the first sanction is for MEGHALAYA Model Residential School only first, sir. And as already replied, Center of Excellence and other components, we are awaiting the approval of the Government of India, sir. Because, sir, for the EMRS, the first criteria, the land of about 8 acres should be available at the pre, of course. And so for the others, for the other component, I don't have information right now with me, sir. But as said, sir, after the completion of all this project EMRS first, sir, the second stage for COE and others component will be moved on, sir.
Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakia ke jela ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala pentip syaka ying dorbar baka kerdan jong Ketua Government Medical College kalong nyopusan na kesispa. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli balawanra da unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma kakong Lingdo kalayathu baka jinghe jong ke jaka bala ais ngobha na kebenta ketika projek kalong kendai ekar. Haba ai jingtip benia halor kapisa tingka ka Menteri Kakot Kakia kala pentip baka pisa baro kabala menjur da ka sarkar pedeng na kebenta kenika projek hadu menta ka sengi kalong sispa nyopo poin shpo kelur tingka bat kala yathu syu baka pisa kabala pelat na kebenta ketika projek hadu menta ka sengi kalong sispa prapusan poin rupusan kelur tingka kat baka pisa kabala pelat syau kontraktor hadu menta ka sengi kalong sispa nyopo pra poin rupun kelur tingka.
Speaker, sir. Reply to star question 88A. So the status of the Tura Government Medical College is 75%. B. So the total area of land donated by the clan for the project is 99 acres. C. So the total amount of money sanctioned by Government of India for the project till date is 170.10 crores. D. Sir. The total amount of money released to the PMC till date is 185.65 crores. E. The total amount of money released to the contractor for the PMC till date is 178.66 crores.
Unong mi khamad ka Raja Bala u Dr. Mizanur KHASI hine kasngi ulawat jingtip halor ke jinglong jingman jong ke jingtrekam jong ke Rajpur Bhajbari Veterinary Sub Center da ka bapan jingshai la ka trekam purane em nakaliang usembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tinsong ubala jubab nak benta u menteri katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Hek ula pentip bakani ka Sub Center ka trekam hinre kampat trekam pura namarba ka dontang arngut kinong tre bat ula benrap ru ba amdan kinong tre ba man kapor neki doktor ba pura bat ka Sub Center kala ban ai jing syakri tang yaki jingpang ki ba melumala ka jing ai tika bat ka jing syakri ban te lakam yaki jingpang nalor kata amdan ki pat ki kam balamang na ka benta ka veterinary.
I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that, considering the fact that this dispensary caters to a very large area with livestock farming, and it is very important for that area. So can I get an assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, that it will be fully functional soon and the staff will be sanctioned and provided at the earliest?
Sir, the process is on. As I've already replied, so, the department is working out, and wherever not only this particular sub-center, we have quite a number of sub-centers where there is no permanent sanction post. So therefore, department concerned is moving these issues very fast, and once the sanction is accorded, I'm very sure we will be able to make it fully functional.
Unong ilam kaliang persya nakaseng Trinamool Congress lani TMC u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau ya ke jingso kya ka bejur halor ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Amendment Bill da ka babu jingkeli ya ke jingtmu jong ka sarkar bat ka jingta jong ka ya ke jinglong trai jaka jong ki trai ri trai muluk ulapan tho ya kurkom trekam jong ka sarkar da ka pamaham ya kanu ka an ka bala man penken ya ka an penkala jaka ka don lupa kabayada ya ka jinglong traishnong.
You have heard the members articulating this concern very eloquently with concern and seriousness. You have to understand why this issue is being articulated in the August House during our submission with a quantum of seriousness and concern, because you got to have the power of anticipation. If you do this, what is going to happen 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 50 years from now? So it is therefore our binding responsibility to see that we prevail upon friends amongst the responsible elected members, and good sense prevails in the larger interest of our people.
Usembut lampang kaying dorbar utimoti di Shira ulamudui persya ya umikanci arsangma bat ubal serang marak halor ke jingkeno baki don keti hakikam sniu bat ke jingpun but nam kabadawa bensiu hadu sispa keluar tingka kum kabai menrain kemat utimoti ringkat bat ke jingdon lang jong unong ya saat an usujit de bat ki MLA jong ke NPP umarten sangma bat urupet momen kilawan ra ya keni kamukadema hakmat kaying bishar jong ke Chief Judicial Magistrate Hashlong mentakasngi. Habakren syakilat patai kubor. Ushira ula keno bakini armut kilas ngautu bakla ya ka jingkren jong u lingba ka video ha ka yeng dorbar tau an. Ula kubur bakila keno ya u ba ulong kum unong shun ya la ka jaj benriu bat ba upersya man penlong ya ketura kum ka winter capital.
They said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details, and what I have spoken in the House, they have met plus in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, making Tura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community.
KHASI Students Union kala kentaj ya ke jingpen tikena da ka ktien na ka sarkar bat kala khot ya baro nruphongot kinong thau an bakin persya ya ke Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act araja apusau kumba kalong menta hakaneka dorbar mang tingka jong ka ying dorbar kabadang yat syakmat. Kani kajingyang jong kaseng kalong hadin kajingya kendu hapadeng kinong yalam ke KSU bat menteri rangba kejela u konrad ke sangma. Hadin kajingya pajba jong kani kekenhun syaka assembly hinin kesngi. Kasorkar kalakular banwan ra ya kijing penkela ki bedon kam hakaan MSIPF arhaja apusau bat ki kendon ki bayadon ringkat ha ka dorbar banwan. Hadin kajing ya merjingmut bat baru kinong ishim benta u presiden ka KSU uba Lambok Star Marngar ula penpau ya kajing bam snohun ya kajing mi jong kajing ya kren bat ula ong lada katei ka an ka ne kumju dei banweng no mardor ya ka.
Dan jongi ong put on hold. Keep an abiyan ni kena enak. Andai pisau tu kidon kanut kinombar jongki bah pekeliak sencar. Kaduk seong bej huse ai huse no. Tinggi sutu bat kikuak ban keren. Pak kena kerwo. Seberok itu ki yamli KHASI. Napok karilum nyup beri nyup terak berkawai. Lagi don kecingit kli kebasai wabej bat kikuak ampenhun ya pai ba ulah jiat dapat songski ki. Kibin ong tang weekend tien don kam man persenge swar anan jikan ka.
Artali ki kali kila sha thang dusmon kawai kadai jong ka Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation bat kawai pan ka jong unong shat jingshat ha ka all railways guest house ha ki riu shim kabu bamla ban ithu hine ka step kat kum ki khubor pulit layathu ba ka jingja ka baningkong kadai ha ka por kumba arsan phomen step hanong men song dong ka diang ha ka ba ya ka kali MIDFC balapen yang harut surok ka jingja ka baar kala ja menta ka janmit ha ka ba kawai ka kali alto kala sha thang ha ki riu shim kabu ha all railways guest house halaban nakaliang USP ka East KHASI Hills uba Vivek's aim ula ong ba ka shongsuk shongsan kala long ka bayat ranti.
Law and order situation is slightly fluid after the incident which happened in Harrison Bridge, where a group of pressure group had actually gone there, and thereafter we've had 2 cases of arson. So considering these events, we can see it's a fallout of yesterday's incident and issue, and hence we have alerted all our units. We're strengthening patrolling, intensifying patrolling and all that, and all measures are being taken to ensure that there's peace and security.
Unong Shongshnong, Jongka Umsao, Nong Karai Ribhoi District, Uba Tony Shella, Ubalong Ru Secretary Shnong Lembat ki Katu kat Ningut ki Samla, Kila Plat ya Umrat Klau, Ba Suki Balajutip Kerteng, Kum Uslu Loris Nakakti, Jongki Nong Nyatrok, Hinin ke Janmit, Bat Kila Ra ya U Shaying da ka Jingtmu Banyada ya Uni Umrat, Na ka Jing Sha Leben. Menta Kasngi, Uba Tony Shella, Ula IT no ya Uni Umrat, Sha ka Forest Wildlife Department kanang ban pente kana bakin pelat yu ni umrat sya ka jaka ka basingan jengai na ka jaka basa kibriu uba tuni ula ong ba ka jingyat lamwir jong ki mrat klau kala bandai na ka jing penselen yaki klau ki betap da ka jing thang yaki ki pulit traffic jong ka nongpo ringkat ka jingya snok tilang bat ka nongpo region auto owners and drivers association kila rai ban shim ka jing perking persha ya kitu kinongnya kali ki bapen ken ya ki kendon jong ka traffic kham tam kitu ki badi ya ki jingdi penbuat ha kapor bakinya kali ha ka ju kapor kinle ai ru na ka benta kitu ki trai kali ki bamla ban penbiang ya ki kwat kisla ki bedon kam ha ka bayade bat kani ka benta la penlong ya ka extensive awareness program da katanat traffic halor shibun teli ki jingdon kam bayade bat ka Motor Vehicles Act Ibertina lingdo ibadai ibrio ibadon jingduna haki dukhatmet ila penshai mentakasni baki don kattu kani ki jing e balai kendu da kibrio kibadon jingduna haki dukhatmet hakapor batho yaki examen bat kiwe ki test ila banjur ru ba kawai na ki jing e jongki kalong ba kimdon kinong yarap ki babiang ban penpule yaki jingkli bat ban pentho yaki jubab Ibertina ila kedo bashibun naki kimtip hangno banbu yaki punctuation marks kumki quotation colon bat semicolon. Haka shiti kerpat jong i shakinong penyat yaki eksamen ila kentu ya baru ki skul la kadai jong ka sorkar ne ki riu shimet ban pentikna bagi nong yarap ki dei banlong ki bala tebet pura khamtam haka bayadei bat kajing pule bat kaban pentho baya kini ki jingkeli bat ki dei ru ki banang ya ka core computer banyarap na ka benta ki brio ki bran jingduna ha ki department
ni habande ya khun ya kum gini ki exam ni don kam banjalam ya uscribe kumut ude unong yarap jungi ban yarap ban penpuli lem ya ki jingkeli lani ban pentho ya ki jubab jungi hakapor exam haba ki mut ban itho ya kum gini ki exam ki habwat ya unong yarap jungki uban long kham hapo ya ka kerdan puli jungki Henry ka jing e hang ni ka long ba bun sin ngila amat na kapor siya kapor ba ngimla ban yo bet uta unong yarap jungi uba kum na ka liang ka exam center kidon kam
Mentangin ya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun benang hatura ka jing kriat kalong kat pra degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong lai pwe degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong lai pulai na kspa haba pai pat hanong ba shalong ka jing kriat kalong kat r point sau degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong r po point pra degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong prapo r na kspa kat bah jawai pat ka jing kriat kalong kat sau degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong r po degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka hau kalong san po pra na kspa kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamlu mala hatura jawai bat shilong haki babun ki jaka Shaban poi shaw bakut jong katup kubor ngini pip yang sai sin yakimat bokong san Penpau Menteri Ketanat Puli Putih Urakam A Sangma yaki jingtmu na ka benta ka MEGHALAYA Model Residential Schools but Sports Excellence Center Kajing penterekam ya Katura Government Medical College kalong nyopusan na kasispa pentip ka menteri ka kot kakya ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo haying dorbar. Terekam tang arngut kinong terei ha ka Rajput Veterinary Subcenter amdan ki Dr. Bapura bat tang kindiat ki jingdon kam. Ngokia unong yalam kaliang Persha u Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ka MSIPF Amendment Bill penpau bala man kta ya ka jinglong trai jaka jong kiriulung. Bat mudui mukadma usembut lampang u Timothy di Shira Persha ki angut ki brio ki ba penja buram ya ka jingkren jong u. Tepalok atung ila poi syaka bakut jong ketup kubwa jungi menta ke janmiat hadap mendai syam yang pila syai kesini kublai piparo.
मॉरिशस को भेंट होगी भारत और मॉरिशस का संबंध केवल हिंद महासागर से ही नहीं बल्कि हमारी साझी